guys, welcome to this video. And today I'm gonna create this makeup look, natural makeup look that you can use this makeup look daily in your life, or else you want to go anywhere, college, party, shopping, or day out. You can use this makeup. It's gonna stay for a long time. Believe me, I didn't apply too much of product. Because it is a daily makeup look, so I applied very light makeup and I just added some shade on my face to make it look natural. So let's begin with the makeup tutorial. So now we are going to start our makeup look. So before that, take your hair out of your face. Now firstly we start from the moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm using Nivea Soft. It is good for winters as well and it suits my skin. This completely set on my face. Now I'm gonna conceal my pigmentation on my face. So because it's a daily makeup tutorial, so you need to cover it as well and it should look natural. So I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Peach. So let me color correct my skin. So now with the help of concealer blending brush, we are going to blend this thing, and I applied only where I have like little red patches or little pigmentation, and I think, let's see, this will enough or not. You have to blend it, like you have to not rub it like this. You should have to tap wherever you apply the product so the product sit in the place. Now I think I don't need foundation. If you need foundation, you can go directly with like Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is good for daily use. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this flat brush and one eyeshadow palette. This is from the Miss Claire. So in this, I will take brown shade because my eyebrows are little in the brown color side, not like dark black. So brown will make it look natural. I'm using Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact because it has also SPF 23. So I'm just taking normal brush and I'm gonna set everything. I'm gonna do my mascara now. So for the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Mascara is done. Now you can see my eyes are looking much more defined. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I use the same blush like on my cheeks and on my eyelids. So let's use it. So I'm taking the same brush, blending brush, and I'm just taking a small amount of it, and I'm gonna use it on my eyelids just to give it a little soft, orangey shade. Because if you don't do your eyeshadow, your face look more blank, like completely white like a ghost. Blend it and make it look so natural. Same we will repeat on this side of our eyes. Now Now let's use this as a little bit of tint on your cheek as well. You can see now my face is completely looking well and little bit of toned, and it has little bit of shadows also. Now I'm gonna quickly move on to our lips. For the lips, you can apply any lip balm that you have. Mostly, like, I like to apply lip crayon from Maybelline Superstay because it stay whole day and you can use it and go easily anywhere for shopping, or even you can go out for party because it's gonna stay on your lips. So I'm in the shade, where is the shade here? Okay, I will give the all details of the product in description box. Now I can't find the shade, so let's quickly move on to the application. So this is like very pinkish, light pinkish color which suits for everyday use. Now the lipstick is done, our makeup is done. Let's open our hair and let me show you the final look. I hope you like this natural makeup look, and you can try this makeup look in your home and let me know that what you think about this makeup look. So if you're having a problem finding salons and spa and you're tired of waiting for the long queue in the salon and the spa, so what are you waiting for? Download Zoily app. Zoily app allows you to find the best salon and spa services, and also it's make easy to book appointment. You can select desired services and you shouldn't have to wait for the service. Download the app and get 100 points in your Zoily wallet, and also you'll get 60% discount on your selected services as well. So what are you waiting for? Just go to the Play Store and download Zoily app.